Today, we are pleased to introduce the Interagency Working Group on Trade and Disability Inclusion, a collaborative platform bringing together Geneva-based international organizations to embed disability inclusion in global trade and development. Established in late 2023 as a joint initiative of UNCTAD, WTO, ITC, and ILO, the working group now includes 15 organizations and continues to grow. Our shared goal is to move from commitment to coordinated action.
This group focuses on practical collaboration, avoiding duplication, working across mandates, and ensuring inclusion is integrated into trade and development efforts. We organize events, promote research, share data, and support technical cooperation. This is an open, participatory space, welcoming staff from international organizations, member states, and invited experts. Our aim is to foster constructive engagement, mutual learning, and shared progress. Why is this work urgent?
Globally, 1.3 billion people experience significant disability, about 16% of the world's population. Most live in low and middle-income countries, where exclusion from the benefits of trade is common. Persons with disabilities face significant barriers, including inaccessible infrastructure, limited access to technology and employment, and policy gaps that perpetuate exclusion. Assistive products like mobility devices and hearing aids are essential for participation in education, work, and society. Yet, in many low and middle-income countries, only 1 in 10 people have access to the assistive products they need.
This is not just a health or social issue. It's also a trade issue. High tariffs, import taxes, and complex customs procedures limit access and raise costs. Meanwhile, the global market for assistive products is dominated by high-income countries, leaving lower-income economies with limited capacity to produce or obtain them. Without inclusive trade policies, globalization and digital transformation risks deepening existing inequalities. For those already marginalized, the gap may only widen. But there is also significant opportunity. Inclusive trade can drive economic empowerment. Research suggests that inclusive policies could lead to a 7% increase in global GDP, a gain that benefits everyone.
To realize this potential, persons with disabilities and their representative organizations must have a seat at the policymaking table. They must be included as consumers, workers, entrepreneurs, and innovators in an inclusive global economy, especially in the growing digital sector. That is exactly what this working group is striving for: a global trading system that removes barriers, advances inclusion, and ensures persons with disabilities are fully recognized and empowered. Inclusion is not just about rights, it is smart economics. When we unlock potential, we boost productivity, innovation, and sustainable growth.
Further, we know that the Sustainable Development Goals, which emphasize the need to leave no one behind, can only be met if the needs and objectives of persons with disabilities are adequately addressed, including in trade-related issues. Interaction and cooperation between member states and the working group is an important element to the wider advocacy effort to integrate disability inclusion considerations across trade agendas.
Ensuring that digital benefits and technologies are accessible to all is key to removing barriers and unlocking opportunities for persons with disabilities. While the working group is still in its early stages, we are committed to serve as a model for effective interagency cooperation. Together, we have the tools and the responsibility to build an effective system that leaves no one behind.
Thank you.